In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to apply Pharmacist on Walmart account step by step. First, open your browser and go to walmart.com. Once the homepage loads, look to the top navigation bar and click Careers. If it's not immediately visible, scroll the page or use the site search for Careers to get there. On the Walmart Careers site, select Career Areas. This organizes opportunities by function, making it faster to get where you need. In the list, look for healthcare, then choose pharmacy. This takes you to information specific to pharmacy roles and the teams that support them. Next, click See All Open Roles. You'll arrive on a results page filtered for pharmacy opportunities. Here you can view all open roles and browse through the listings. Take a moment to scan titles, locations, and schedule details. Use the search and filters to refine by city, state, or keywords like pharmacist or pharmacy manager, so you're only seeing positions that match your goals. When you find a role you want to pursue, open its details to confirm the responsibilities and required qualifications, then click Select. This adds the job to your application cart. You can see all the vacancies you've selected, and you can apply to multiple roles or just choose one, whichever fits your strategy. When you're ready, click Apply to Role. To move forward, you'll be asked to enter your email address. Make sure it's one you can access right now, since it will be used to verify your identity and receive updates. Review and agree to the terms and conditions, then click Continue. Walmart will send a one-time passcode to your email. Open that message, copy the code, and type it back into the Walmart Careers page. If you don't see it, check your spam or promotions folder and give it a minute to arrive. After entering the code, wait for the page to load. This confirms your account for the application process. From here, you can start your application by uploading your resume. Use a clean PDF or docx with clear headings and include your pharmacist license details, state licensure, immunization certifications, clinical experience, and any leadership or retail pharmacy accomplishments. Naming your file professionally helps, and keeping it under common size limits ensures a smooth upload. Once the resume is in, the site will guide you through completing the rest of the application. That's it. Navigate to Careers, choose Pharmacy, review openings, select your role, verify via email, and upload your resume to begin. Pause and replay as needed, and good luck with your application.